All right. So what benefit does this have? So why use machine vision at all, right? And there are some, there are a lot of benefits that you would come across on the web, but I would say there are really three benefits, which I've seen has made this technology popular. The first one is, by definition, machine vision is a non-contact technology. So in other words, you don't need to touch the object of interest or the part of interest which you are looking to inspect, and you can do that from a distance. And if you think about it, that probably offers a huge advantage, mainly because it's easy to integrate. You don't need to touch the material or handle the material. You can, from a distance, plug in a camera, and from that camera you can do image processing and derive your results, right? So the first advantage is really the nature of being non-contact. So that also allows you to pretty much inspect a multitude of industries. It's not restricted to one particular domain or industry. You can use it from printing to electronics to FMCG to automotive, metals, any industry which has some kind of visual inspection that is happening. The second is inherently speed. So machine vision can compute results much faster than humans, right? So if you want to do something in a high-speed line, perhaps FMCG, perhaps printing, right? Things which a human will not be able to keep up with, the manufacturing velocity. Machine vision would offer the benefit to be able to overcome that limitation. And the last one comes with a disclaimer, a big disclaimer, right? Is consistency and accuracy. Now, a lot of people may say that, oh, but I've implemented machine vision in my factory assembly line, but I've not been able to achieve consistency and accuracy. Now, how many of you would agree to this, where you have tried to implement something using machine vision, but you've not achieved the desired consistency and accuracy? It's marketed as an advantage to say machine vision, yes, you can get consistent result, you can get accuracy, great accuracy, better than humans. But when you actually implement it, the story turns out to be something opposite. It turns out to be different altogether, right? So that's why I say this is a disclaimer. Now, the disclaimer is you will achieve consistency and accuracy if designed and implemented well, right? So that is the disclaimer. So if you do that well, you will see tremendous advantage with consistency and accuracy. But there is some skill and techniques that need to be adopted to ensure that you are getting the desired results, right? And of course, consistency means it's not subjective in decision making. So for instance, the same image, if you present to the software multiple times, you will get the same result. If you do it one time, 10 times, 100 times, or 1,000,000 times, that image will always result in the same output, right? But if it is going to be subjective when you give this same image to 100 others. Three main benefits that you would see in machine vision. And like I said, the third one is a tremendous benefit, but it has to be really implemented well.